Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phone Zone. Today with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Nokia Lumia 630 out here. Talking about Nokia Lumia 630, we can compare it with Nokia Lumia 620 out there and 520 also. मतलब दोनों से compare कर सकते हैं because this was a variant which was released back then after these two versions. When we talk about this वेरिएंट, जब हम बात करें लूमिया सीरीज की, तो लूमिया सीरीज के बारे में हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं कि नोकिया लूमिया जो है नॉर्मल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे वर्क नहीं करता है. यस, इट वर्क्स विद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स आउट देयर, विंडोज पे वर्क करता है. एंड इसीलिए इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो बाकी वेरिएंट्स से थोड़ा सा अलग देखने को मिलती हैं. Now talking about this variant and comparing it with Nokia Lumia 620, we can see इनमें ज़्यादा structures में कोई difference नहीं है, structurality में बिल्कुल भी difference नहीं है. Whereas 520 के comparison में अगर हम बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि इस वाले variant में इसमें आपको जो है curvy edge देखने को मिल रहा है, जो कि आपको 520 में नहीं देखने को मिल रहा था. 520 was a sharp edge phone, but ये curve edge है, तो this can be considered as a plus point. और we can say 620 का adaptation है इसमें. It is really heavy weighted phone because weighing more than 130 grams in Lumia is really heavy weighted, मतलब थोड़ा सा heavy weighted कहा जा सकता है. Having IPS captive touch screening causes a advantage because advancement बहुत जरूरी है. IPS captive touch screening है, which is really a good version. भाई अगर इसके साइज की बात करें कैसा साइज है, तो इसमें 4.5 इंच की जो स्क्रीन है वो है. यस, 4.5 इंच की स्क्रीन है. यू गेट टू सी 4.5 इंच स्क्रीन साइज आउट है विद रेजोल्यूशन कैपेसिटी रिड्यूस्ड. रेजोल्यूशन कैपेसिटी जो है वो थोड़ी सी रिड्यूस हो चुकी है. इट इज नॉट 221 ppi. yes, this is reduced for very long time. मतलब 246 से सीधा 221 तो बहुत ज्यादा रिड्यूस हो चुकी है रेजोल्यूशन कैपेसिटी. बट यू गेट टू सी एडवांटेज की विद एवोल्यूशन इट हैज गॉट गोरिल्ला ग्लास 3 प्रोटेक्शन विद इट. गोरिल्ला ग्लास 3 की प्रोटेक्शन देखने को मिल रही है. साथ ही साथ आपको देखने को मिल रहा है कि इस वेरिएंट में, इस वर्जन में आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की अपडेशन भी देखने को मिल रही है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम भले ही माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज है जो हम नोकिया लूमिया में देखने को मिल रहा है, बट अपग्रेडेशन है, अपग्रेडेड वर्जन है. और साथ ही साथ अगर हम बात करें स्नैपड्रैगन प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम की, तो इसमें स्नैपड्रैगन 800 का प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम भी देखने को मिल रहा है. सबसे अच्छी बात जो इसमें स्नैपड्रैगन 400 का प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम है, स्नैपड्रैगन का प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम है इसमें, और कह सकते हैं कि इसमें आपको जो सबसे अच्छी बात देखने को मिल रही है वो ये है कि स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी में ज्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं किया गया है, ना कैमरा में चेंज किया गया है. ये वो सारी चीजें जो है 520 से ही अडेप्ट की गई हैं, कह सकते हैं. जैसे 520 में कोई सेल्फी कैमरा नहीं था, इसमें भी सेल्फी कैमरा नहीं है. वहीं पर तीनों वेरिएंट्स में, नोकिया की अब तक की इन तीनों वेरिएंट्स में आपको 5 मेगापिक्सल का रेयर कैमरा देखने को मिल रहा है. 8 GB इंटरनल स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी मिल रही है एंड यू गेट टू हैव 512 MB RAM. So we can say this is almost the same thing out there. वाईफाई है, 3.5 जैक है. इसमें आपको रेडियो नहीं देखने को मिल रहा, विच इज एन अडेप्शन टू 620 आउट देयर. मतलब ओवरऑल अगर कहीं तो नोकिया लूमिया 630 जो है 520 और 620 का अडेप्टेड वर्जन है. बहुत सारी चीजें जो है 520 से अडेप्ट की हैं, वेयर एज मैक्सिमम थिंग्स हैव बीन अडेप्टेड बाय 620 आउट देयर. वहीं पे बैटरी की बात करें तो बैटरी लाइफ जो है बेस्ट है इसमें, क्योंकि 1800 mAh की, मतलब 1800 mAh की बैटरी लाइफ इज अ रियली अमेजिंग फीचर आउट देयर. Talking about this variant, we can say this variant offers amazing prices on amazing websites, but a price which is worth investing comes out very less websites. Yes, very less websites offers you a worth investing price, and one such website is with us. The website name is phoneZone.ae. Yes, this is a website I'm talking about. The website name is phoneZone.ae, and you get not just one brand Nokia only, but n number of brands you have over here, as well as you get to have the search icon which helps you to search your favorite gadget out there. the result is out. As we move down to the box out there, we get to see a description box. Description box की बात करें तो इसमें सारा आपको फीचर्स देखने को मिलेंगे. Yes, you get to see all the specifications out here mentioned in this description box. As well as you get to see that it has a condition written on the top. Refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and compare with brand new and check whether brand new and refurbished products are good to use or not, and check how is it beneficial or benefits of having a refurbished product. So let us talk about refurbished products. And when we talk about refurbished, when we say the word refurbished and when we talk about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished product means creating something new, like, or we can say something from the old one to the new one, something like that we can say. Or if we go with the terminology of refurbished, we can say that it is exactly the same product as it was original with better we can say usage capacity now, but like we can say that this is quite a similar product as it was earlier. Whereas brand new is brand new, which is always we can say is dedicated or has been brought up by the company or the base out there. Refurbished और brand new में ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता. We won't say that there's a difference out here. Refurbished and brand new both are quite similar. They are actually similar. Why they are similar? Why they are we say they are quite same? Because the path where brand new ends, मतलब जहाँ brand new का path end होता है वहीं से refurbished का path start होता है. Yes, it starts from there. Now when we talk about refurbished product, it is extension of brand new. Yes, brand new extension कहा जा सकता है. How? We know the passage for brand new. It's the company out there which brings any gadget, any model out in the market. The company, then marketplace is there, then the user or the consumer out there. Now the end the brand new है, मतलब brand new यहाँ पर आके खत्म हो जाता है. अब इसका extension क्या है? Now the user wants to sell its used phone out है और pre-owned phone out है. So it is sold out to the marketplace. Here the user becomes the base and the marketplace remains the same. Now it is again used by the another user. Yes, this is the extension to it. So we can say this is almost the same thing out there. Now when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar because the tests are actually same. इनकी पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, टेस्ट जो हम करते हैं स्पेसिफिकेशन सेम होती है, सब कुछ सेम होता है. When talking about this, we can say that refurbished product और brand new product में क्या similarity है? We can say that the brand new products out there, brand new products में हम connectivity देखते हैं, speakers देखते हैं, camera देखते हैं, display देखते हैं, everything related to the internal factors, external factors, everything is seen out there. So do we see in the refurbished product. Now coming back to refurbished products parameter, we check the display. Yes, when we check the display, we check whether it's working properly or not, whether it has any scratch or not, whether it's broken or not. Buttons has to be checked. Yes, all the buttons, keypads out there has to be checked. Camera quality, video quality, audio quality has to be checked. The external factors like the scratches we already checked. The battery out there, battery has to be checked out. Then we have to check out all the factors which are involved internally, like the operating system. Yes, operating system check करना होता है. CPU, GPU, उसका GPS अगर है, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, all the internal factors involving it, like SIM recognition है, data wiping है, everything, each and everything has to be checked. So overall, we have 29 big parameters out there and sub parameters in each category, like एक internal factors हो जाते हैं. So these 29 parameters says that yes, this is one of the good variant out there. जब ये टेस्ट हो जाते हैं, then it is given a certificate that yes, refurbished products are good to use. Now when we talk about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products have few benefits. Number one, उनके advantages क्या कह सकते हैं? Their benefit is like it gives you savings. Yes, you get to have savings. Now when we talk about savings, we can say you can save up to 15%. How? Because you get pocketable rates for your favorite products. Yes, when we talk about pocketable rates, brand new products are exclusively high rated products out there. Yes, when they are launched, they are quite high rated. and you can save up to 15%. When we talk about this brand new product, we can say they offers you 1 year warranty period. And when we don't buy from sites or we don't have a condition written out on the phones, then you don't get the warranty period. But for refurbished products, you get warranty of 6 months. 6 महीने की वारंटी पीरियड भी मिलती है, so you get to have 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 70 exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 70 exchange policy along with that. So we can say that this is good variation out here. कि profitable rates है, savings है, 6 months warranty है, 70 exchange policy, everything is out here, so you can definitely enjoy it. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about refurbished products, the site we were talking about, the site we have been looking for a very long time, this site phoneZone.ae, which I am highlighting, is the site out here. phoneZone.ae provides you a good variety or a good variance out there. We can say yes. We can say that this provides you good variety out there. Not just one brand out here, not just one brand. There are n number of brands in the category of all mobile phones. Whereas when we talk about the site, on this site you get to see that 6 months warranty, 70 exchange policy is already there. You get to have this policy. Apart from that, you get to have additional benefits of COD and free shipping. Yes, you get to have COD and free shipping out there, which says that you get to have free delivery out at your doorsteps. And delivery timing might vary for 48 hours to 1 week, like 48 hours in most of the parts of UAE on this site, whereas it might take up to a week time for Saudi. Saudi it might take a week time, but for rest of the places it takes just 48 hours. So you can check out the website for best pricing or call on helpline number. Description has the link. You can check it out. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.